Repair holes and tears in down jackets, tents, rain gear and other outdoor gear with this fabric, peel and stick patch kit. Use this ultra-strong adhesive tape that permanently bonds to nylon, polyester, GORE-TEX fabric, and vinyl, not for cotton, denim or natural fabrics. Cut to size and apply the patches on clean puffy coats, backpacks, ski pants, or gloves, includes 6 1.5x 2.5 and sealed with a waterproof coating. Choose from all black nylon, all clear, or a combination of black and clear patches, nearly invisible repairs that won't peel off during the wash. Packaging may vary. Top reviews from the United States. Grateful Mama. My daughter tore the sleeve of her $80 jacket in the first month of use. I was at a loss how to fix it until I found this stuff. The reviews were good, so I tried it out. Very easy to apply, took less than 5 minutes. Wish I had taken a before pic, but the tear was a decent size, L-shaped. And with the multicolor, I chose the clear tape. I took a pic with the flash and without. You can see a slight outline of the tape in the pic with the flash, but it blends in perfectly, as you can tell without the flash. When touching it, you can feel the edge a bit, but not enough to be horrible. My daughter is 10, so we'll see how well it stands up to her using the jacket over this season. But so far, it seems great.